Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to change your Netflix credit or debit card. Now don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and let's proceed to this guide. Now, in our Netflix account, we can see our profile picture right here on top right of our screen. Let's point it out and then click on account. After clicking account, you should be in this account page right here. Under membership and billing, go to manage payment info. And then as we can see, this Netflix account is paid through a gift card. Now all we have to do is to add payment method and select credit or debit card. After we click credit or debit card, we're going to enter our 16-digit card number, the expiration date of our card, the CVV, which usually is the 3 digits usually at the back of your card, the first name on the card, and the last name. After that, you check the box that says I agree and then save. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have learned something from this video.